Attention, troops! Welcome to the Spartan battlefield of self-improvement, where we're about to declassify the ancient riz of the art of war by legendary Sun Tzu. But hold your willies, soldiers, because we're adding a twist of comedy to this epic battle plan. Get ready to laugh and conquer, because we about to hit you with some righteous free game. No kizzy. Took a major L here, no gonna lie. Seems like the element of surprise needs some serious work. Let's try another tactic. All right, time to spy on the enemy's camp. Let's see what these scheming fiends are up to. Well, that went well. I guess my espionage skills need some major work. But hey, laughter is the best strategy, right? Now, let's break into the goodies of Sun Tzu's masterpiece, The Art of War. This book is all about outsmarting your opponent and achieving victory. The first principle is to know yourself and know your enemy. Well, knowing yourself can be a bit messier than expected. Let's just hope we have better luck with the ops. This disguise is straight fire. These bozos will never suspect a thing.
What?
Well, that was whack. Sheesh, maybe blending in ain't my strong suit. Moving on. Ouch! The old gurus say flexibility is key, but maybe not physically. I'ma just stick with mental flexibility for now. Jokes aside, my fellow warriors, the art of war teaches us valuable lessons about strategy, leadership, and the art of winning battles. It's about thinking ahead, adapting to change, knowing when to attack or retreat, and being mad smooth in your approach. So, soldiers, if you want to finesse a major bag of victories, remember to take Sun Tzu's wisdom and apply it to your daily activities. P.S. We deep dive into the art of war with a whole summary in the video linked below. So check that out if you want to level up big time. Anyway, get out there, initiate gremlin mode, and conquer the battlefield of life. It's time to slay and bring the laughter. If you do, on my mama, your life is gonna be lit. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub to our channel for more litty vids. Peace out.